When we discuss fears, usually we're talking about the fear of failure, right? But I recently got notes from a few people interested in the 30-day credit repair agency program that hit on another type of fear, the fear of success. My name is Dominic Brown, the owner and creator of the 30-day CRA program. I help people just like you grow profitable credit repair companies so you can have time freedom, financial freedom, and the location freedom that you deserve. And I do this by showing you how to get more leads, more sales, and better results. First off, the fear of success doesn't look like you saying, I'm scared of being a successful person who makes an insane amount of money. It usually shows up as holding off on starting or building your business because you're scared that making money will change you or what people think of you. You're scared you'll get too many leads and you won't be able to manage them all. You're scared that success means you'll have to work all the time, or you're scared that charging people and making great money makes you a bad person. Any of these things sound familiar? Honestly, none of it has to be true. Having a lot of money doesn't make you a bad person. Actually, it can give you the resources necessary to help more people. Now, students of my 30-day credit repair agency program use the information to build credit repair companies that help thousands of people. Seriously, we're changing lives. We're helping people buy homes, build business credit, get business loans, and much more. Success also comes with responsibility. As you become sought after, you land more clients, and that means customers to juggle. Don't run away from this. Systems will help you. So I run a few businesses in an active credit repair agency, and of course in a consulting agency, right? So I consistently bring over 6 figures each month with these businesses, and I have hundreds of customers. Yet, it's still a small operation behind the scenes, but when you have systems in place to manage marketing, sales calls, service delivery, you won't struggle to manage leads. So I work maybe a few hours per day unless I'm in launch mode, and our family definitely stays on vacation. The key is not getting overwhelmed with your business, is starting out on the right foot. Now, in the 30-day credit repair agency program, we discuss building your brand and automating your processes so that you can sell with confidence. And trust me, I go into detail. Don't take my word for it. You can check the reviews on the 30dayscra.com website. The right processes will cut out the overwhelm so you can enjoy running your business. Can success be scary at times? Absolutely. But commit to getting a little uncomfortable, and on the other side of that fear can be the life that you want patiently waiting for you. Oh, by the way, thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to our channel, and check out the description below this video. We have updated links to our best programs and offerings that can help you reach your goals faster. We look forward to helping you reach your goals, and we can't wait to talk to you in the next video.